Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Today we are back with another video tutorial on how to activate chat heads in your Messenger app. For that, open your Messenger app on your device. After opening, click on this button and go to settings. Scroll down and look for bubbles option. Here you can choose option of your choice. I am going to click on this. Now the bubbles are enabled in your devices. Hope you find this tutorial informative and helpful. Give a thumbs up if you like it and share among your friends, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching.